Hey, it's Keith Yackey, founder and creator of the Private Money Process, where we teach you step by step how to raise money with real private lenders so you can fund your deals. This one is interesting, and it's a real mindset shift that I'm wanting to impart to you, and that's this. The reason why so many people are afraid to raise private money when they're doing either fix and flips or buy and holds is they look at it as begging and or borrowing. And if you look at things like you're begging or borrowing, you're coming from a very weak frame, a frame or a platform with which you're being held up on. And so everybody hates to beg and to borrow. Nobody likes to do that, man. I would hate to have to borrow money from somebody. It would attack my ego in its highest form. But we all, to some degree, don't want to have to do that. Now, of course, there is a sliver of society that is happy to beg and borrow. That's not you, because you're on this video and that's not the way you think. I don't understand those people, and I hope I'll never get them, because I don't seek to understand loser mentality, beggar, borrower mentality. Hey, I claim victor mentality, winner mentality, mover, shaker, dominator mentality. That's who I am, and that's what I see myself continuing to become. So forget about them. Let's talk about why we have such a problem raising private money, or why it seems so awkward at first, is because oftentimes we come from the I'm here to borrow, I'm here to beg mentality. Switch that from I'm here to borrow and beg to I'm here to give. Give these investors an opportunity to make money with me. It's a whole different psychology. It's a whole different frame. We can maybe relate it back to when you were single, or you were just meeting your partner, or if you're still single, you know what it's like. It's the difference between a guy going up and begging a girl to go out with him, as opposed to saying, hey, if you were to go out with me, you would have the greatest time in your life. The attitude, the character, the charisma, the power, the whole certainty of the situation radically changes. Why? Because you're giving an opportunity, as opposed to coming here with your hand out and saying, oh, please help me. Oh, please help me. It's different. And that's the mentality you have to have. You've got to switch it from, oh, I need this, to, I have an awesome opportunity to give. Let me give you a really crazy example. What happened? I have been a huge fan of Starbucks iced chai lately. They changed the recipe, something happened, and now it's gold. I mean, you give me a medium iced chai with almond milk and 5 cubes of ice, I'm happy. I drink one of those just about every single day. It's the only little thing that has a little bit of sugar in it for me, but I do it right after I surf, so I'm good to go. But I also, if I don't go surfing, I'll go work at this really cool place that my wife and I work out at. And right next door is this amazing, really healthy, clean place where we get these great smoothies and these really healthy breakfast burritos. And this morning I said, you know what? I'm going to give them an opportunity to win my chai business, because I spend at least $5 a day on chai. And I'm like, I'm going to give them an opportunity. It's just the way I think. I think I've got great opportunities for people. I can help people. I know how to navigate certain things. And it's ingrained into my brain now is I'm the one that gets to give people opportunities. I'm not waiting for somebody to hand them out to me. And that's where I want you to get to. And it takes this first little shift of I'm not begging and borrowing. I'm coming and giving somebody a great opportunity to invest with me to make great returns on their money and have a good time doing it. That's the very first mental shift you have to have before you ever approach anybody. If I was single now and I was approaching a gal to go on a date, I wouldn't be like, oh, do you want to hang out? It would be so nice. I'd be like, and I don't want to sound arrogant, because it can get this way, but my mind is like, how amazing for you that you get the opportunity to go create a cool experience with me. Do you see the difference? Confidence is attractive, and that's what people are looking for when they invest with somebody. What's your certainty? What's your confidence? I don't think I'm the greatest catch in the dating world. My wife might think I'm pretty cool, but when it boils right down to it, there's confidence and certainty that I say, hey, listen, I'm not asking for you I'm not begging for you. I'm not looking for a handout. I've got an opportunity for you. And that's the difference. Take care.